Shiba Inu holders, Pepe coin holders, there's a lot to like, a lot of great momentum right now in the cryptocurrency markets. And I'm here to tell you why I think there's a lot more room to go here as we enter 2025. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys a bunch of things to consider. But really where I want to start is just kind of where we are now ahead of what we think is going to be a mass influx of new investors coming into 2025. We're starting to see that shift happen. We're starting to see retail FOMO a little bit, but I feel as if we're just scratching the surface. And if volume, trading volume, just in the last 24 hours is any indication of where we could go, things could get crazy for the top tier ERC20 cryptos. And I want to show you guys exactly what I'm looking at here. So Cryptocurrency Inside over on X put out this tweet here yesterday morning. So this is actually volume from 2 days ago. And we could see here the top plays here by volume. Doge at 6.2 billion 2 days ago. Pepe, look at their volume, 4.2 billion. SHIB right there too at 1.4 billion. Pepe recently just set new all-time highs. And dare I say, very quietly got to $11 billion market cap. I feel as if a lot of the retail isn't back. Pepe, got their listing though on Coinbase. They got their listing on Robinhood. I feel as if a lot of the whales are kind of coiling up, getting ready for what's to come. And a lot of people stacking their chips. Pepe's been essentially trending sideways ever since hitting their all-time high. SHIB is in a really good spot. And I've got a lot to share with you guys in this video. So we're taking a look at the global cryptocurrency market cap sitting at 3.63 trillion. And what really gets me excited, what really gets me bullish about these two top ERC20 cryptos is the fact that Ethereum has not set new all-time highs yet. Bitcoin has, right? Over and over and over again. Ethereum's all-time high is just under 4,900. Just under 4,900. It was set back in November 3 years ago. And we're about 20% away from that happening. And as Ethereum nears its all-time high and eventually gets to 5,000, the floodgates open. All of a sudden, liquidity is unlocked. And we're going to see, in my opinion, a trickle-down effect. Where's that money going to flow? After it comes into Ethereum, it's going to flow down to the top-tier assets that are on the blockchain. SHIB and Pepe are right up there. And I think they're going to steal a lot of the liquidity. Now, when we talk about price, short-term price action here, one analyst in particular thinks SHIB is about to see a powerful 150% rally all the way to the 4074 level. And there's a reason why this particular analyst is saying that. Talking about the current price situation, we're at a key level right now. It says here, SHIB is testing a trend line that has basically been around since 2021. And if we look at weekly candles and this weekly chart shared on the screen here, SHIB first entered this downtrend after it hit its all-time high back in October 2021, and then first revisited it in March 2024 when it surged to a new high of the 404567, at least the yearly high this year. And according to this analyst, SHIB could surge over 150% from current price levels where we are right now to around that 4074 if it manages to break this year's long downtrend. And this analyst said, we are looking very bullish the last few days on SHIB's price action. If we come out to the SHIB chart, kind of see where we've been and kind of where we're heading right now, sitting here at the 2814. Over the last month, SHIB's up only about 7%. This is where I usually like to come in though, right? Nobody's talking about it. It's quiet. It's been on an uptrend though, slowly but surely since beginning of April, right? And this analyst says here, if we scroll on down, an analyst noted a key metric that could support this rally is a continued decline in Bitcoin dominance, signaling a rotation of capital from the top tier asset Bitcoin into Ethereum and then the altcoins. If we refresh the altcoin index, see just how close we are. Bitcoin is up 75% the last 90 days. ETH 69%, Solana 70%. These are your top two layer ones, two altcoins that are right up there. They're both lagging behind Bitcoin right now, but not by much, not by much. And once this flips, I think then we're going to see the big rotation of capital. And if we go over to Pepe, here's an analyst and what they're talking about when it comes to Pepe. Pepe's metrics look to be lining up across the board, looking at momentum oscillators, price action, volume. We mentioned that volume 2 days ago, insane, over 4 billion. These prices can be setting up here to go. This is coming in from Javon Marks, analyst over on X. And it says here 40375 is the next level in sight in another nearly 50% move, perhaps, for Pepe. And this was his remarks before. Pepe has made a ton of progress since the spotting of its bull flag breakout. Prices look to still be well positioned for higher, as the measured movement target is suggesting another 40% upside move, taking us to that 375 level. If we come back out, we can see where Pepe is. It's, I think, right in like the 2.4 range, give or take. Yeah, 2.436 right now after setting its all-time highs, kind of cooling down a bit after it popped up here into the 2.7s, crossed over $11 billion market cap. You would expect to see a little bit of a pullback, a cool down period, but the all chart here on Pepe has just been phenomenal. And this is what really sparked the altcoin rally, really what sparked this bull run that we're in back in April 2023. It all started with Pepe. It got people excited again. It got people in the markets. I mentioned this, a lot of people who made a lot of money in NFTs back in 2021, they're into meme coins now. They're into crypto. They're into altcoins. And they came in heavy into Pepe back in the early part of 2023. And it has not stopped. That momentum has continued to really, show itself time and time again. And I feel as if Pepe sitting here ranked number 21 with not a real big retail demand right now in crypto. It's slowly coming back. The sky's the limit here for Pepe. Could we get to $100 billion market cap on Pepe, a 10x from here? I think it's doable. When we look at SHIB sitting at 16.6 billion, could we get to 100 billion and beyond when it comes to SHIB? Most likely. I do think this is a possibility. So when we're looking at Ethereum, what I want you guys to really consider is what is built on top of Ethereum, right? And it doesn't even have to be SHIB and Pepe, right? You can look at Ondo, you can look at Render, you can look at, a lot of these different assets that are built that are ERC20 cryptos, because when Ethereum starts to flip Bitcoin, when Ethereum starts to set new all-time highs, that money trickles down, right? And you're going to see a lot of the Ethereum-based assets do really well. I know I've kind of said this message quite a bit here in the last week or two, but I really want to reiterate it because I think it's a great time, not only to get into Ethereum, but to get into Ethereum's ecosystem, right? We've seen a lot of these chains kind of move along by themselves. Let's not forget how massive Ethereum is, though, right? Ethereum is still the granddaddy of them all when it comes to altcoins. And because of that, we're going to see a lot of the assets built on top of the chain do extremely well. So appreciate you guys for watching the video. Let me know your thoughts down below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.